I love those 70s style late models. I remember that was the premier class. They were so much fun to watch. I don't go back farther than that, but I know grandparents out here, and I know my father remembers the older cars. But here we go. We're going to get them wound up. They come. Green flag. And it looks like it's a good start. Here we go. As Jumpin' Joe jumped away, is taking the lead in the number 1.
You paused on the start there, not thinking Jumpin' Joe had that early run.
I didn't know if they were going to give it a go or not. Here comes Rubeck on the inside of Pennington. It's going to be a battle of 55 and 65 in the years of third place. As a 52 Harvester coming around to take the lead. As Rubeck starts to look to maybe the inside of Jumpin' Joe. He's looking outside. He might pull a slingshot move. He does! It's a slingshot shake and bake move. Wait a minute, you gotta have 2 for shake and bake.
It's vintage.
As Rubeck and Jumpin' Joe are gonna be going side by side. Vintage car racing, maybe not. Rubeck tucks it in behind Jumpin' Joe. Pennington holding on to third in that 55 Bel Air, followed by Beldowski Jr. in the 65 Chevelle coming around. It's side by side for the lead. Who's going to hold it that time? That was a photo finish. I think it was a tie for the lead that time. As Rubeck might have an edge. Oh, here comes the bumper of the Harvester. That big bumper sticking out. Who's going to get it? It's going to be the bumper of the Harvester. Now it's almost a full car as Jumpin' Joe and Rubeck are side by side. Pennington got a little loose coming into 1. Here comes Beldowski on the inside of Pennington. Beldowski going to try to claim that third spot as Jumpin' Joe takes the white flag. We got a battle for third. Whoa, hang on to it, Beldowski. Inside of Pennington. Here we go. It looks like it could be Jumpin' Joe. Oh, inside move. Dive bomb it's going to be. Holy cow.
Whoa, it might have been via the bumper on the one of Jumpin' Joe. That was tight.
See, bumpers matter. That big shiny bumper, I think, gave Jumpin' Joe Darnell the win. Wow. The oldest car in the field takes it to victory lane.
Definitely driving the heat on that one all the way to the end. 36 car of Steve Rubeck will finish in second. The 28 car of Frank Beldowski will finish in third. And the 55 car of Gene Pennington rounding off your top 4 vintage.
So once again, out of McChesney Park, Illinois, been racing here as 34 years of racing experience. Started racing in the Roadrunner division in 1985. This is the person who runs the Vintage Series. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up to Jumpin' Joe Darnell.